Today, August the 2nd, 2021, I just arrived from work at home in front of my house. I see a beautiful yellow bird. They enjoy eating the seed from my flower. Very nice, beautiful yellow bird. This time of the year is the flower are blooming. Especially this flower, they have a lot of seed. And the yellow flower also having a lot of seed too. Oh, so nice. Oh, we go now. See, this flower is so beautiful. It's yellow. When I got here, I seen they staying with the yellow flower. And now it's gone. Maybe they hear the noise. Blooming so nice, the flower. This time of the year is this flower blooming late July and August, and then it's come in bright yellow like that. So nice. And this flower color is starting changing now. A lot of changing. I would like to see that bird again, but it's nice to see. When you work hard, you come home, you see the bird. Nice, especially a beautiful bird. It's a little bit breeze today. Hot, but it's because they have the wind, so it's nice. Very nice breeze. Oh, it's good to see a beautiful bird.